They were last seen traveling on Joe Johnson Road, Warsaw, North Carolina, in a black Acura MDX with unknown North Carolina registration. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Duplin County Sheriff's Office at 911 child abduction. The Duplin County Sheriff's Office is searching for Callie Holloman. Callie Holloman is an 8-year-old white female, approximately 5 feet, 2 inches tall, weighing 50 pounds. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. Callie Holloman has freckles on her face and no clothing description. The abductor, Wanda Layton Holloman, is described as a white female, 5 feet, 5 inches tall, 135 pounds, with blonde hair and green eyes, unknown clothing description. They were last seen traveling on Joe Johnson Road, Warsaw, North Carolina, in a black Acura MDX with unknown North Carolina registration. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Duplin County Sheriff's Office at 910-296-2150 or call 911 or Star HP. This is an Amber Alert.